Hello everyone. Welcome to Vision IT. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how you can convert you can merge like a multiple PDF file together. So we know that there's a lot of website online where you can do that, but the question is that once you upload your file online, you don't really know where the file is stored. You don't really know where your file is, where your file is going to be stored. So uh, the best way is that I'm trying to show you how you can do that by yourself, so so you can feel more confident that your information in your PDF is not sharing by other people, or you know that everything is with you. So that's a little bit my what I'm trying to show today. First of all, I'm going to show you that to do that we need to download like the PDF library online. So you have to go to pdf.lab. So once you're in pdf.lab, you have to click on the first link right here, the pdf-lab npm. On pdf.npa, these are the library that we're going to use to merge multiple file together. And once you're in this page, you have to go to pdflabgs.ds.org. On this page, you can see some sample of code that you can use. But what I really want to show you right here is you have to go to install. This is the command that we're going to use to install the library on Visual Studio. So let's go to Visual Studio. I'm going to show you what I did on my Visual Studio. I'm going to show you, demonstrate you how you can create your own code and do so. So first of all, this is my Visual Studio, and these are the code that I wrote. So basically right here, first of all, what you have to do, you have to create like a folder on the Visual Studio. For those who doesn't know Visual Studio, Visual Studio is a platform where you can do some web developing. You can develop like a app. You can do a lot of coding like in Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, a lot of coding in C and C++. So there's a lot of resource in this platform. So first of all, let me show you something. Let's say that you install the Visual Studio on your computer and you want to start your project. So first of all, you have to create like a folder. A folder is kind of a directory where you're going to store all your document. So you can just create new folder. You can just call it like let's say demo PDF. Once your folder is created, you select your folder and you will see that it's appear right here on the top like a demo PDF. In this folder, you can add multiple files. Like you can see why I have two files. I have a PDF.html and PDF.javascript. So we're gonna be most focused on PDF.javascript. But just to show you how you can add the file on your folder, you have to create like a new folder. And right here, you come over here, you click as select as, and you can call this one as a demo pdf.html. This create a like a demo a HTML page right here. This is your HTML page, and HTML page basically is used to use like if it's used for front end web developing, so you can use that to create like the front of your web page website. And then you can create another one, which is you go to my file, you save it as a document, and then you create it as a demo pdf.js. JS stands for JavaScript. So you can see those files. Oh yeah, that's basically what I did right over here. I have a pdf.html and pdf.js. So we're most focus on on PDF, demo PDF.ds. So on demo PDF.ds right here, this is my code over here. So on this, first of all, something I want to mention, like once you create like a folder, you have to add the document that you want to convert. So right here I have two documents, Common PDF and Linux PDF. They are the two commands that I want to merge together. And you have to do that once you create your folder. You have to add all the PDF that you want to merge together in that folder. And then you have to install the PDF library on your Visual Studio. So if you want to go back, I show you this command that you can install your PDF library. You can just copy it and come over here. This is the demo folder I created. You click on Java DS and you go to terminal, like a new terminal. On the new terminal right here, you can just paste the command that we just copied right here, and you will see that you start installing the library. As soon as you install, you can see it's appear right here. So you install the PDF library on your document over here. So now let's go back to the code. So these are the code that I did. That's the library that I installed right here. So on the code right here, you can see like a current PDF document. Basically, we are loading we are requiring the PDF library we just installed on the Visual Studio. In the concept, we are fleshing all the document. On the run cache error, we are running to see if there's an error on the ones on the console. But if there's no error, we're gonna start the xsync function run. On the two first line right here, I specify like a two document, PDF.1 and PDF.2. So it's up to you. You can change the name, you can call it whatever you want. So it's up to you. I decided to call it PDF.1 to specify that I'm calling the first document, which is command.pdf. This is the command, the PDF that I have here on my folder. And the second one, PDF.2, which is the Linux PDF that I have on my folder. So basically, this function is to load the PDF on this document right here. So once you do that, you have to create another document. The document is gonna contain the two documents together. You're gonna contain those two documents together. And once you create that, you have to create and name this on page. On this page basically to count the number of page. So right here, I create another document that I call count PDF.1, and then I'm loading the PDF1 and I'm also adding the index page on those PDF. So basically I'm adding the page number, and you can see doc.copy page. So I'm copying the PDF.1, which is this one, and by adding also the index page. And also by adding the page number, I'm using the for loop const.page of PDF.1 PDF-1. So I'm adding the page on the first one, and I'm doing the same thing for the second page right here. You can see PDF2-2.get page index. So I'm adding the index page. So also something I want to do, like you can see where I call this one content PDF-1 to specify this one is for the first page and the first PDF, and content PDF.2 is for specific for the second PDF. So once you do that, you have to write out basically right. This is where you are combining the first when you are measuring the two commands together with this function right here, and you have to give some name to the command. You have to give some name to you have to give the name to the file that you are converting, you are measuring together. I'm going to show you that. So the name that I provide is convert.pdf, and then I can save it right here. So you can see right here you have a command PDF and Linux PDF1. So once I'm going to run this code, you're going to see that you're gonna see that you're gonna see convert PDF appear over here. So if I click go run, it's running. You say there's no problem have been detected in the workspace. If I go back, you will see that there's a convert right here. So first of all, let me show you this was the lineage page command. This was the command page. So once I run the code, you see the convert right here. Let me open the um, convert page so you can see what I got. And you can see right here, this is the convert page right here. I mesh all those two files together, Linux and command together. If you I can change this one too. I can call this one a merge PDF, and you will see if I run it, you're gonna see merge PDF right here, and then I'm gonna open it again. Start. See, there's no error detected, and you can see right here merge PDF together, and then I can open it right here. You see there's a merge PDF right here. It merge all the PDFs together. So basically that's what I was trying to show you guys how you can do. You can do your own, and you'll be more safe. You'll be more safe. It's not very secure to upload your document online, specifically when you have some sensitive information. So it's better you can do your own, and everything will be on your computer. You can do that too. It's very simple. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like it, give me like a thumbs up on the bottom, and see you next time for the next video. Thank you.